Well, good afternoon now, everybody. It's the afternoon of our first day at Nicholaston Farm on the Gower near Swansea, guys. And we're going to head down to the beach for our first little look, guys. So, not too sure what we're going to find and expect to see. So, we'll see you all down there. So we're going to head out that bottom gate and that. We've got the drones with us as well, guys, and that. It's a little bit windy today, but hopefully the Mavic 3 Classic will cope with it, guys, and that. As you can see, the sun is starting to come out, so it's turning into a nice little day. Alright, so we're going to head down the bottom gate. Sorry about the lawnmower in the background. Right, so we're going to head down these pathways and tracks and see where it comes out. Well, at the moment, I think we're doing a David Bellamy impression, walking through the undergrowth. Right, I think we went wrong to start with, guys. I spoke to somebody and they said, oh, you really want to go down this other path and that, so we're heading down this way. As I say, there's nothing signposted, so it's all new to me and Skye. Right, she's off her lead, she's eager. Got to try and remember all these paths on the way back, because they all look the same, overgrown. I can see the beach in the distance. As a guess, guys, I'm thinking we're a good 10 minutes from the campsite to the main beaches. Right, there's a better view for you all. We've just done our little site walk around Nicholaston Farm Camping and Caravan site, guys, so hope you enjoy watching that. Say, hopefully we're going to get the drone up on the beach somewhere and have a good look over this area. Right, we're slowly getting there. I think the Skye's eager. She keeps looking at me and saying, come on Dad, where's the ball? Right, almost there. Oh, look at those lovely sandy beaches. Well, I believe we've got the beach to ourselves, it looks like today. Is this what you call paradise? It could be. Right, I don't know whether I just said, but we're 0.4 of a mile from the campsite. Very fine sand this is. Alright, just have a walk along this way. I know Three Cliffs Bay is this way, but I don't know whether you can get to it with the tides. I think we might have to go coastal paths. Just need to check drone assist as well. I believe it's when you get to the other side of Three Cliffs that you need permission to fly from Swansea Airport. Can't wait to get a drone up here. Well, we definitely got our own piece of paradise here this afternoon. I think she's more relaxed and happy when there's no other people and dogs about. She doesn't feel intimidated. And certainly this beach has got the wow factor. Interesting to see if you can walk past those cliffs tomorrow on low tide. I really couldn't tell you whether we're on high tide or low tide at the moment. Going by 10D, high tide was lunchtime or the afternoon, so I'm thinking possibly the same. That's just beautiful. I'll just sit here for a minute, pause, have a little look around. You can see the waves crashing in. I imagine you could walk for 2, 3, 4 miles in that direction. Well, we did have a little drone flight. I do get worried when it's such strong winds, even with a bigger drone. What a backdrop. Right, I think I'm getting told off. Gotta play ball. So we're gonna walk a little bit more, guys. Not do too much. Save some for tomorrow and the next day. Today's just basically finding our feet around the area, how to get down to the beach. As I say, it's about 0.4, guys, but it will be a little bit uphill, walking through some sandy soil and surfaces on the way back, unless I can find another route, which I guess the gate at the bottom of the campsite is the nearest.
Where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you.
I think tomorrow morning we might see if we can get to Three Cliffs Bay. Certainly want to have a fly around them if we can. Hopefully in the morning we'll see if we can check any tide times. Hopefully it'll be low tide tomorrow. It'll be just nice if the wind died down. I'll just show you the backdrop again. Who really needs to go abroad, guys, when you got beautiful sandy beaches like this, stunning coastlines, Nobody on the beach. If you're on a beach in Mallorca, Spain, it'd be heaving, wouldn't it, guys? Yes, I know you're all saying, well, we don't have the weather, guys, but apart from the wind, guys, this is perfect. Right, we're going to head back soon. We're going to get the arrival vlog edited. And so by the time you get to see them, guys, I shall be finished my holiday, back at work. And that's so, I think currently we're probably about 7 days behind on current vlogs. And probably even more on the drone flights. And that, guys, but you'll soon catch up on them. Right, so we're going to head off the beach, back through the dunes. I think we'll earn coffee, see if we've got any cakes left. Running down on supplies, but as you probably see in the farm shop, loads of provisions to buy, guys. Cakes, French bread, even doing cooked pizzas and that, guys, so you won't go short. Right, you got me out of breath, guys. That was tough going. Just coming up that loose sand. Not very far, not very steep. You just couldn't walk in it. So I think next time we need to find a better route back up. Right, we're off the beach now. All we got to do now is pick up halfway back. And that, guys, so it's a bit of a lottery. I think I remember which one would come, but there is another one further up. We might give it a try. Right, I believe that's the pathway we come down. I think we're going to try this one now. I've got a hunch it might bring us on to the top of the site where the reception is, the main road and that, so we'll just have a quick look. Right, we keep going. Oh, that walk off that beach is a killer, guys. Oh, backache now. Just walking through this woodland section. Right, more dilemmas. Right or left? Good job, Skye's fit. Right, taking 5, guys. Found a nice big tree stump to sit on. Not too sure how far we are from the top and that, but oh, I think it's broke my back now. Right, a lot of steps. Still not sure where we're coming out. Right, so we come out at the top near Nicholaston Burrows. You got this other campsite here, guys. Initially I thought it probably didn't belong to Nicholaston Farm, but I think it probably does now. So there's another campsite on the opposite side of the road. So that's the entrance in. And you can see it says Ivy Cottage caravan park. As I say, I don't know whether that's something totally different or independent. Right, we're going to head back into our campsite. Right, so we're back on our campsite. At least we found another route down to the beach. You can see farm buildings. So it's a working farm to some capacity, but as lots of these farmers do, they're divulging now into different things, shops and camping, make a little bit of money. And that, guys, this campsite cost me, I think, about £110 for the 3 nights. And yet you go further along the coast to Three Cliffs Bay, I think they wanted nigh on £100 a night, which was really expensive. Right, so we're heading back now, motorhome. That was only a short walk, guys, 1.4 miles, but it's the coming back bit what was the worst for us. I don't think we'll be doing that for our first early walk tomorrow. Right, thank you very much, guys. That's the end of that little Skye's first walk on the beach at Nicholaston Farm near Swansea, guys, and on the Gower. So thanks again. Give us a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.